Good day everyone, I am Evangeline Sinapolis and today I will be sharing my understanding of the CWTS orientation. CWTS stands for Civic Welfare Training Service. It is a part of NSTP program that focuses on improving the welfare of communities through service, volunteerism, and civic responsibility. What is CWTS? CWTS2 is a continuation of CWTS1, while CWTS2 focuses on basic knowledge and orientation. CWTS2 is more focused on applying what we learn through actual community service. It helps students become more responsible citizens by encouraging in activities that benefit society, especially in areas like health, education, environment, and safety. Goals and objectives. The main goals of CWS2 is to develop students who are socially responsible. It also aims to promote volunteerism, encourage teamwork, develop leadership skill, help communities solve real-life problems. Activities in CWTS2. In CWTS2, students participate in different community-based activities such as clean-up drives, tree planting, health awareness campaign, tutoring of literacy program, disaster preparedness activities. These activities help students apply their knowledge while helping the community. Importance of CWTS2. CWTS2 is important because it builds discipline and responsible, help us understand real community problem, encourage us to help others, prepare us to become better citizens. CWTS2 is important because it build discipline and responsibility, help us understand real community problem, encourage us to help others, prepares us to become better citizens. It also teach us that even small action can make a big difference in society. Your role as a student. As a student, our role is to actively participate, show respect and cooperation, be responsible in assigned tasks, apply what we learn in real-life situation. We are not just students but also partners in building a better community. Conclusion. In conclusion, CWTS2 is not just a subject but a meaningful experience that help us grow as the individuals and as a members of society. It teaches us a value of service, unity, and responsibility.